In this video, you'll learn how tags are created and managed in SAP Cloud ALM. Tags allow you to conveniently group or connect objects, such as project tasks, user stories, and requirements. They also help to describe objects and make sure that they can be easily found through filtering. Use the Tag Management app on the SAP Cloud ALM Launchpad to display and manage all existing tags used in your SAP Cloud ALM tenant. There are two different ways to create a tag depending on which user authorizations you have. The first option is to create tags as an application user without the tag administrator role, for instance as a user of the Tasks app. Open your project task and go to the Additional Information section where the information on tags is maintained. Choose Edit and place your cursor in the Tags field. Now, either select an existing tag or, as instructed, click on the note to create a new one. If you want to create a new tag, enter something meaningful that best suits your objects. For this video, let's choose as overdue. Now, click on Create and save the changes. The tag is assigned to this task. If you have the Tag Administrator or Tag Viewer role assigned to your user, you can go to the Tag Management app to check your newly created tag. Search for your tag and select it to see where it is used. The source column shows which type of user created the tag. In this case, it is custom end user, meaning an application user who created the tag outside of the Tag Management app. Note that tags created by custom end users are automatically deleted when an assignment no longer exists. This avoids an accumulation of unused tags and ensures a proper management of tags in general. To make any changes in the Tag Management app, you need to have editing rights that are assigned to your user via the Tag Administrator role. This role enables users to delete tags centrally in the Tag Management app, which results not only in the deletion of the tag itself, but also all of its assignments. If we delete the tag that I've just created, the tag as well as its assignment to the project task are no longer available. The second option for creating tags is to create a tag as a tag administrator in the Tag Management app. First, choose Create Tag. Once more, enter a meaningful tag that makes sense for grouping your objects and save. Again, let's choose as overdue. In contrast to the first option, tags that you create directly in the Tag Management app are created without an assignment to an object. These types of tags have the source custom admin. They are not automatically deleted if there is no assignment, so you can therefore use them to create standard tags for your company. You can now go to a tag supporting app and start assigning your tag. In addition, the Tag Administrator role enables you to group your tags. This ensures the building of central governance. Thank you for watching. If you want to learn more about tag management in SAP Cloud ALM, check out our in-app help, which contains useful links and more information about its key features. AI-generated audio.